बाकी कोणती मी एकट्याच आहे ना?
So dear students, may I audible? Is it okay, Arnav, Anushka? Okay. So dear students, welcome to our NSO 7th standard workshop. In that, today I am taking chapter number 10, electric current and its effect. I am taking a revision of chapter number 10, electric current and its effect. So, chapter number 10, electric current and its effect. So, you are familiar with the word that is electricity. In our day-to-day life, we are using many electronic devices or light, fan, mixer, grinder, washing machine, fridge, many devices which we are used in our home, and for that we need the electricity. So lightning is also as a source of natural electricity. It is caused because flow of electric charge produced by rubbing of the clouds. Now electric charge, there are the two type of electric charge, that is positive charge and next one that is negative charge. So when you rub plastic scale or pen on your hair and you kept this plastic scale near the bits of paper, that bits of paper are attracted to the plastic scale because in that there is a static electric charge is produced and transfer of electric charge. Okay, when suppose I rub this plastic pen on my hair and kept near the bits of papers are attracted because in this pen there is a electric charge is produced due to rubbing of two surface. When we rub the two surface, static electric charge is created, because transfer of electric charge. So when we rub two substances against each other, then the charge is transferred. And the scientist Benjamin Franklin in 1759 first time discovered the lightning is produced due to the flow of electric charge. How lightning is produced? Due to flow of electric charge. And for this experiment, he have done the experiment with kite, and the famous kite experiment. Now electric charges exist two type of the charge, that is positive charge and next one that is negative charge. Again, when we rub one substance again one another, then static electricity is produced, and the SI unit of the charge is coulomb. Charge का SI unit क्या है? Coulomb, and that is C. Now electric current, when a charge flow through a conductor, there are the two type of material, that is conductor and insulator. So when a charge flows through a conductor, it gives rise to electric current, and electric current is the flow of charge through any material. Electric current means flow of charge through any material, and it is defined as charge flowing through a conductor per unit time. So electric current is given by the symbol that is the I. So electric current. So electric current, for electric current I, and formula is charge divided by time. Electric current I is equal to charge divided by time t. So electric current I, charge के लिए Q symbol use करते हैं and divide by T. Okay, so electric current I is equal to charge के लिए Q symbol use करते हैं divide by time T. So the flow of electron constitute the electric current. क्या होता है electric current? The flow of electrons flow होते हैं, flow of electron. Now electron क्या है? Subatomic particle. So suppose this is the atom. In the center of atom there is a proton is present, neutron is present, and electron is revolving in a circular manner. So proton have given by small p, and symbol is sign is positive charge, not sign charge. प्रोटॉन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. देन नेक्स्ट वन न्यूट्रॉन, स्मॉल n, नो चार्ज. न्यूट्रॉन के ऊपर कोई भी चार्ज नहीं होता है, नो चार्ज. एंड नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन गिवन बाय स्मॉल e एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऊपर कौन सा चार्ज होता है? नेगेटिव चार्ज. What is the meaning of electricity? Flow of electron. कौन flow होते हैं? Flow of electron in a circuit through the conductor. Flow of electron constitute the electric current in a conductor, and the direction of current is taken opposite to the direction of flow of electron. फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो डायरेक्शन है उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन किसकी होती है? करंट. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट इज टेकन अपोजिट टू द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लॉकवाइज है तो करंट एंटी, कन्वेक्शनल करंट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. Okay, so conventional current is taken opposite to the flow of electron. Now next one, that is a resistance. Next term is the resistance. So next one is resistance. Vehicle move with a great aids on a smooth road than the bumpy or a rough road. Similarly, current also different material offer different kind of path, different type of material, and the path is different. So there is some hindrance in the flow of current, while some allow it to flow through it easy. So some material allow the current to flow easily, and some material do not allow to flow the current easily. So, for example, current flow through the silver wire is easy than it doesn't through the aluminum wire. So, this is because aluminum offers greater hindrance or resistance to flow of current than the silver does. Okay, means from the silver, electric current are smoothly transferred. What about the aluminum? Electric current are pass but not smoothly. So that one is so aluminum क्या है? Resistor है. Greater resistance for the aluminum as compared to silver. So electric resistance is the piece of material is measure the hindrance, and it create to the flow of electric current. So metal के resistors होते हैं, and this resistor measure the hindrance, it create the flow of electric current. Resistors होते हैं, resistor से electric current flow होता है. So material like metal have very low resistance, so they are good conductor of electricity. Materials such as wood, plastic offer high resistance and do not allow the electricity to pass through them. A resistant means oppose the flow of electricity. Okay, so resistance depend on the nature of the material as well as dimension of the material. A longer wire has high resistance as compared to shorter wire. Thicker wire has a lower resistance as compared to thin wire of the material. Now, electric component and other symbol. So, to flow the current, there is a circuit diagram, and for the circuit diagram we are using the symbol. For example, this one is the symbol of wire, okay, or this one is the symbol of the wire. Then next one, that is this one is the symbol of battery. Okay, this one is the symbol of cell. One minute. This one is the cell. Then next one, when two cells are joined together, it make the battery. Okay, now this one is the battery. A combination of two or more cell, that is called battery. Then next one, that is switch. Those are the component. Okay, those are the component which are used in a circuit diagram. ये क्या है? Components है. These components are used in the circuit diagram. So those are the symbol of switch. Okay, or okay, symbol of switch. Then next one, that is bulb. Okay, this one is the symbol of bulb. Then next one, a resistor. A resistor oppose the flow of current. Resistor क्या करते हैं? Current के flow को oppose करते हैं. So this one is the symbol of a resistor. So first one, wire. Wire act as a medium for the flow of current in a circuit and usually made up of copper and coated with plastic. Cell having the two terminal, positive terminal Longer is the positive terminal and shorter one is the negative terminal. Combination of two or more cell, that is called battery. Then give a control to open or close the circuit for a long time, that is the switch. Switch is used to open the circuit, to close the circuit. Electric bulb, in that filament is present that glow when electric current is passed and it gives the heat and light. And resistor, a component which offer the resistance to flow of the current, जो करंट के फ्लो को अपोज करता है, that one is called resistor. Now next one, that is electric torch. So in the electric torch, it is the simple circuit consisting of two cells, then an electric bulb, switch, connecting wire. Now if we observe the circuit, we can see that two cells are connected in the series and the electric bulb is connected to the cell through a switch, and this circuit is represented with the help of symbol. And circuit can make easy. Now next one, heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. Electric current gives magnetic effect, heating effect and electric effect. Okay, so first one, that is heating effect of electric current. When we are pass the electricity, then heat is formed or heat is generated. So heating effect due to electricity. So when we pass the electricity, then heating effect is produced. So we have observed that a glowing bulb in an electric current become hot when we pass the electric current. Then iron, electric iron get heated, press, हम उसको press भी बोलते हैं. When we pass the electric current, electric iron get heated, electricity is passed through it and this iron is used for ironing the clothes. इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर है, इलेक्ट्रिक टोस्टर है, इलेक्ट्रिक किटली है, all get heat. सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट में when we pass the electric current, they are heated. Okay, the heat is generated and that heat we are used for the different purpose. So this phenomenon of a conductor getting heat up when electric current start flowing through it is called heating effect. In short, when we give the heat, when we pass the electricity, then heat is generated. Understand? When we pass the electricity, heat is generated and that is called heating effect of electric current. Heat is produced in the material depend on the nature, length and thickness of the material. Heat is produced, that heat is depend on the nature of the material, length of the material, thickness of the material. So length, thickness, nature, it is also depend on the current passing through it. So this heat is generated, it is also depend on the current passing through the material. So greater the amount of current passing through the material, greater will be the heat produced. And similarly, higher resistance of wire, higher heat is produced. So next one, a simple device that work on the principle of heating effect of the electric current is electric bulb. So in the electric bulb, when we pass the electricity, filament get heated. Then this filament is made up of tungsten, tungsten having the high melting point. And when high amount of electric current pass through the filament, it get heat up and start glowing and thus producing the light energy and heat energy. Very common example है heat energy का, that is the electric bulb. When we pass the electric current, light is formed and heat is also formed. Now, next one, that is fuse. Next one is fuse. So, a fuse is a safety device in an electric circuit. Fuse क्या है? एक safety device है which is used in an electric circuit to prevent the damage to electric appliances and protect the wire and protect the instruments which we are using in our home and which are based on electricity. So when this electricity is maximum limit on the current which can be safety flow through the circuit. If the current is more, current is exceeds, then there is a chances of short circuit. So to avoid this short circuit, fuse is used. So the wire get overheated and may cause the fire. If electric current is more, wire get overheated, chances of fire. So to prevent this, fuse is used, and fuse in the fuse there the fuse wire is present, and this fuse wire is made up of the material having the low melting point. It is usually made up of tin and lead. टिन का सिंबल है SN एंड लीड का सिंबल है PB. फ्यूज वायर कौन से दो मेटल से बनती है? टिन SN, लीड PB are connected to the electric current, and when the current is exceeds maximum value, fuse wire melt and due to the heating effect and break down the circuit and prevent our home from the short circuit or electric fire. Okay, when current is more, fuse wire melt and then it break down the circuit. Circuit को break down करता है fuse. But nowadays we are not using the fuse. हमारे सबके घर में अभी फ्यूज नहीं है. क्या यूज करते? देखो, सबको आपके घर में ऑब्जर्व करना है. जो उसको बोलते हैं MCB, मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर. सबके घर में अभी फ्यूज नहीं है. क्या यूज करते हैं? MCB, मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर आर वाइडली यूज, स्पेशली मेड ऑफ स्विच. It turn off automatically when current flowing through the circuit is more. When current is more, that MCB is off and it protect our home from the electric short circuit. MCB off हो जाता है. After some time we can on it manually by using the wooden stick. ओके, स्विच ऑफ हो जाता है, हम वुडन स्टिक लेके उसको आफ्टर सम टाइम ऑन करते हैं. सो हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली MCB ऑफ हो जाता है. सो नाउअडेज क्या यूज करते हैं? MCB टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर होम और अप्लायंसेस और इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस from the over or exceeds electric current. So this is the heating effect of electric current. Now next one, electric current having the magnetic effect also. Just like the heating, electric current having the magnetic effect. Okay, electric current having the magnetic effect. Magnetic effect of electric current. So a magnetic compass, in that magnet is present, and which magnetic compass we are using because compass showing north south direction. So magnetic when the magnet is brought near the compass needle, it shows the deflection. This is because compass needle is influenced by the magnetic field of external magnetic field. Suppose this one is the magnetic compass इन द मैग्नेटिक कंपास मैग्नेट इज यूज। ये जो मैग्नेटिक कंपास है इसमें क्या यूज करते हैं, मैग्नेट यूज करते हैं। बट व्हेन आई केप्ट अनदर मैग्नेट नियर टू दिस मैग्नेटिक कंपास, ये जो मैग्नेटिक कंपास है उसके पास में मैंने दूसरा और एक मैग्नेट रखा, तो उसकी जो नीडल है क्या होती है, डिफ्लेक्ट होती है, उसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज होती है, बिकॉज in that compass magnet is present and it is influenced by the other magnet, external magnetic field. Similarly, when compass needle is brought near the conductor carrying the electric current, a compass shows the deflection. Deflection means its needle change the direction, and this when the electric current is passed through this magnet, it shows the deflection, and this was studied by the chemist Hans Christian Ørsted, and he found that whenever compass come near the conductor carrying the electric current, it shows deflection. So when electric current pass through the conductor, it behave like the magnet. So कोई भी magnetic material, for example copper है, ओके कॉपर, कॉपर है जो कि कंडक्टर है, ओके, एंड कॉपर में से हमने इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास किया, सो वेन एवर अ कंडक्टर कैरिंग द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इट शोज द डिफ्लेक्शन, एंड व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज पास थ्रू द कंडक्टर, कॉपर की वायर है, ओके, कॉपर के वायर में से हमने इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास किया, देन दिस कॉपर वायर बिहेव लाइक द मैग्नेट, वो मैग्नेट के जैसे बिहेव करती है. सो इट इज यूज इन डिजाइनिंग इन मेनी डिवाइसेस इन अवर डे टू डे लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम सबके घर में इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर है, उसमें कॉपर वायर यूज होती है, एंड व्हेन वी पास द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट दिस कॉपर वायर बिहेव लाइक द मैग्नेट. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर है, इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर है, सो दे ऑल आर वर्किंग द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. And the magnetic effect of electric current is depend on the current flowing through the circuit. Higher the current, higher the magnetic effect produce, higher the deflection in compass, and the direction of deflection in compass is depend on the direction of electric current. If the current flowing through the conductor is reverse, the direction or deflection of the compass needle is also reverse. Next one, that is electromagnet. Next one is electromagnet. Suppose this one is the ion nail. To this ion nail there is a copper wiring, and here there is a cell is used. Okay, suppose ये ion nail है, ion nail के ऊपर copper की wire है, then cell we have applied, then next one is switch also we have applied. Okay, cell and next one is switch. So when we on the switch, हम स्विच को ऑन करते हैं, when we on the switch, then through this cell, ये जो सेल है इससे इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास हो जाएगा, ये जो कॉपर वायर है from that copper wire that electric current is flow. Now this copper wire behave like the magnet and other nails are attracted. If we keep this assembly near the other nails or conductor material, that conductor material are attracted, or ion nails, steel pin are attracted to this copper wire. Actually copper magnet है क्या? No, but how heading क्या है? Magnetic effect of electricity. When we pass the electric current, then the conductor material behave like the magnet. ये conductor material है. This copper is conductor, good conductor of electricity. So this material behave like the magnet, and that is called magnetic effect of electric current. So electromagnet are those objects which shows the properties of magnet when electric current pass through it. When the current in the circuit is switched off, now when I off this switch, okay, then the substance lose its magnetic property and behave like the normal. Then when I on the switch, electric current is passed and this conductor behave like the magnet. So electromagnet have wide variety of application. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज होता है? स्पीकर है, मोटर है, जनरेटर है, मेनी अदर डिवाइसेस है. A simple electromagnet is constructed by connecting the ion nail with copper wire, then switch, then cell for the power supply, and then it make the simple electromagnet. So the electromagnet strength is depend on the number of turns of a wire per length and the amount of current passed through it. So this electromagnet is depend on the two factor. First one, that is the number of turn of the wire per unit length and the amount of current passing through it. If the number of turn in the coil is greater, the strength of electromagnet is increases. If number of turn of copper wire is more, strength of electromagnet is more. The strength of electromagnet increases with the number of turn in the coil. Big crane use the electromagnet to separate the ion and other magnetic material from the heap of garbage in dump yards. Electromagnet is also used in a circuit breakers. जो सर्किट ब्रेकर होते हैं उसमें भी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट यूज होते हैं. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक डोर, लॉक, telephone, earphones, in that electromagnet is used. The polarity of electromagnet is determined by the direction of current. Next one, that is electric bell. So this one is the electromagnet. Now in everyone's home there the electric bell is present. सबके घर में जो bell है जो हम यूज करते हैं, so that one is the electric bell. And here there is when electricity is passed, circuit is complete, then we are able to listen the sound. So electric bell work on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. इलेक्ट्रिक बेल में कौन सा इफेक्ट है? मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. Magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. What is the meaning of magnetic effect of electric current? When we pass the electric current, the conductor behave like the magnet. जो कंडक्टर मटेरियल है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉपर, इट बिहेव लाइक द मैग्नेट. सो इलेक्ट्रिक बेल work on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. It has an electromagnet which behave like the magnet when electric current pass through it. The circuit of electric bell is when the switch is closed, the current start flowing through the circuit and the electromagnet is magnetized. And this magnet attract the armature which is made up of iron toward it, and a clapper which is connected to the armature is also move forward and strike the gong, and which produce the sound. So when armature move towards the magnet, it is in contact with the screw is broken, and this break the electric circuit. No current flow through the electromagnet. This bring the armature back to its initial position. As soon as armature come back to initial position, the current completed again and the process repeat itself and bell ring again. Okay, so this is the electric bell and it work on the magnetic effect of electric current. When we on the switch or when we press the button of bell, हमने जब बटन का बेल है, बेल का बटन हम प्रेस करते हैं, तब क्या होता है, करंट फ्लो होता है. एंड व्हेन करंट इज फ्लो थ्रू द सर्किट, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की वजह से उसमें जो भी मेटल यूज होते हैं, दैट मेटल बिहेव लाइक द मैग्नेट, मैग्नेटाइज हो जाता है. एंड देन सर्किट कंप्लीट होने के बाद वहां पे जो मेटल का जो गॉन्ग होता है उससे साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है एंड देन वी आर एबल टू लिसन द साउंड ऑफ बेल. Okay, and after when we off the switch again, that comes to the original position, armature back to its position. And again when we on the switch, circuit is complete and we are able to listen the sound of electric bell. So here I have completed your chapter number 10, electric current and its effect. Is it okay? Just show me your thumb. Is it okay? Okay. So now tomorrow I continue the next chapter. Okay. Bye.